A brake booster is a device using engine vacuum or hydraulic system that increases the force applied from the brake pedal to the master cylinder. Brake booster is located on the driver's side of the car towards the back of the engine compartment. A faulty brake booster loses the ability to amplify the force from your foot, causing a hard brake pedal. Leaks in the brake booster may cause a misfire as you step on the brake pedal, and if it is leaking through the housing or diaphragm, it can create a hissing noise that is only heard when applying the brakes. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the brake booster related error codes. Stop driving if you find these symptoms in your car, and repair your vehicle immediately. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.